Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am finally here with the video. I know I haven't made many videos lately, and but I am trying to catch up with hashtag uh, artisan journal, artisan journal, artisan. My God, I can't even remember. Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Patti at Life with Patti. Here on YouTube, and I'll link her down below or tag her down below. So I missed week 13, and I'm going to share week 14. So I'm going to share both pages. I am still, um, my I have been so busy at work. I have not had a chance to craft it until now. Um, and I'm going to catch up with Deck the Year. I missed last week, and yeah, so I have to catch up on some of the hashtags that I love doing. Um, so I am still working on week 7, I think. Where was that? Nope. Yeah. So it was after the winter page. It's quotes and um, Bible phrases. Have I wanted to think about this page a little bit more, or I haven't had a chance to really sit down and work on it, to be honest. But this is going to take a little bit of time. But this is the only page that I need to catch up on. So I'm here to share week. So week 12 was circles, and that was my circle page. This week is, or not this week, but last week was greeting cards. And I make greeting cards, and I don't really, you know, get a lot of greeting cards this time of year, but, like Easter cards and birthdays, or, well, my daughter just had a birthday. She had, cards, and, um, we got one Easter card, or several Easter cards this year, and this is the one I picked because I just love the little bunny. And then I just added some paper, some spring color paper to my to my page as I topple down some glue and sprays. Um, and then I made this greeting card a pocket, and then I tucked in my greeting card that I made with Tim Holtz, Mr. Bunny or Mr. Rabbit, for my card for 2024. And I just used that as a pocket, and I added it to my greeting card page. I thought that was perfect. So then I doubled up the page, because I knew I was going to add acrylic paint to it. So what I did was I just glued 2 pages together so it had more thickness, because when you add acrylic paint or watercolor, see how it's starting to buckle, or it already buckled. Not starting, it buckled, because I did glue it. It's just that some of the paper, because of the water or the paint, when it gets wet, it starts to separate, and but I don't mind that at all. It doesn't bother me. Um, you know, just press it down. You can see the waves in the paper, but I'm trying not to make this, book bulky. Um, so what I did first was I layered down some acrylic gesso, And then I started adding just paint, like spring color paint. I think I used pink and like a little bit of blue and yellow, which the yellow kind of mixed in with the green. Yeah, and green. And then the green was really kind of too dark for my taste. But I know spring has that really bright green color. I kind of toned it down with some cream acrylic paint just to tone the green a little bit down. And then I had dried it off. I added some glitterific, so that's why you see some like sparkle on the page. Um, then I drew some flowers with my new gel pen. Where is it? Here it is. I really like this gel pen. It writes really well on paint. It's almost like water-based ink, but it shows up really well. Um, so I drew a flower. I attempted to draw a butterfly. Not that great. Then I stamped with the Dollar Tree stamp set that I am just loving. I've used this stamp set so many times, and for $1.25, I don't know how many uses I've used this stamp set for, but it was, you know, already was worth, paying for it. And it stamps pretty good. It's not too bad. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not like other acrylic stamps. So I stamped that floral stamp first, and then I used my favorite script stamp from that set, and I stamped over it on each, flower. It kind of reminded me of a Tim Holtz set that has floral and text on it. Can't remember the name of it, but that's like one of my favorite stamp sets. And I mimicked that by using that stamp set from Dollar Tree. I added a sticker that said spring. And then I added some foam stickers, and I don't like to use these foam stickers because they make my book bulky, but I thought they were just adorable, like this little butterfly and this um, birdhouse. So I really, really love how this page turned out. I just love the glitter that it made my page look. So that is week 14, and week 13 for Patti's open collaboration, hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024. I actually just sat down and created, and it was so nice. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye everyone.